Come fish with me.
To start the morning off.
Spoiler, we had one of our best days.
First
Dink
one
to
of the
start the day.
boys. Nice little dink.
10 minutes later, we got a nice
fucking
pounder.
hog. Look at this boy. Hell yeah.
An hour later, we got another hog.
I'm on, babe. Babe. Babe.
Nice
Almost an
3 and a
8-pound
half
bag and 2
pounder.
bass. Hold up, buddy. Hold up. Get some water in you. Look at that boy. Look at that chunk, boys. Football jig is
Fourth one.
nice. Skinny guy.
Another hog to end the day.
313, almost 4 pounds.